Bonjour les amis, we have so many berries in the garden at the minute that I am about to make a berry ice cream. So let's make it together. I am making it with a KitchenAid ice cream maker bowl, but I'm sure any other ice cream maker will do the trick. So for the ice cream, you first need to work on the fruit. So I'm gonna wash and cut 500 grams of berries and put them into this bowl. So bear with me. Right, so now I've got my 500 grams of fresh berries, and to that I'm going to add a third of a cup of sugar. Oops. Put it in the bowl with the berries, and I am going to add half the juice. The juice of half a lemon. So here we go. Oops. It's a bit of a hard lemon, that one. Okay. That should be enough. And now I'm going to give it a good mix. And this has to stay, so I'm going to cover it, and then it has to go into the fridge for an hour minimum. I am gonna leave it overnight because it's too late now and I want to make my ice cream tomorrow. So I will be back tomorrow to show you how to finish the ice cream. Right, I am back. So the berries have been in the fridge overnight with the sugar and the lemon juice. So I'm now going to put it all into my blender, and we are going to blend it into a puree, juice and all. Go. If you like pieces in your ice cream, you don't have to blend it fully, by the way, but I'm gonna go for a smooth one. Right, that will do. So now we've got our berry fruity mix ready for the ice cream. So now we need to get the cream part ready. So let's do it. Right, so to make the creamy mix, we are going to add in a bowl 2 large eggs. And then I'm going to go for 1 cup of milk. I'm going for full fat milk, just because full fat always tastes better. And then we're going for 2 cups of double cream or whipping cream. Okay. So it's about 1.5 300 mils pot. Okay, so 2 cups of double cream, and now we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. So 1, 2, 3, and we are going to give it a real good mix. Also, it's all very cold, right? So my double cream was stored in the fridge overnight. The strawberries were in the fridge as well, so my mix should be cold. If your mix isn't cold, then before making the ice cream in the ice cream maker, put it back in the fridge for a good couple of hours, because it will set better and take less time if it is cold. So right, it's all well mixed, and now all I have to do is add my berry mix to it. So, ooh, splashing everywhere. Okay. And then I'm going to give it another good mix. Here you go, look at that beauty. Strawberry red and raspberries actually. Got a beautiful red. I think it's all well mixed. I don't know if you can see it. It's perfect. It's cold, so now I'm going to put it into my KitchenAid ice cream bowl. So to install your KitchenAid ice cream maker, just take your KitchenAid and then I just open it out, and the ice cream bowl comes with this. And there's a letter on it, A and B, and I know that for my model, it tells you on the instructions, but for my model, I'm going with A, so I'm just going to slide this across here. It's quite tricky at first, but then you soon get used to it. And then I'm going to pick up my, the ice cream bowl, which has been in the freezer. Actually, mine is always in the freezer. I'm lucky I have a chest freezer, so I just leave it at all times there, so if I need ice cream, it can be done in 20 minutes. But if not, you want to have put it in the freezer a good day also before you want to make the ice cream. I'll get the bowl, just screw it in like any other KitchenAid bowl on the base. Here you go, that's secure. And then you put this in the middle. It kind of just goes like this. I'm just going to check when I shut it that it all works together, and it does. It all slots in together. So I'm ready. So now I'm going to put it on speed 1, and I'm slowly going to put my mix in. So you've got to go slowly. Go. So if you go too fast, some ice cream will set at the bottom quite rock hard, but it has happened to me in the past. It's not the end of the world. Still edible, still very yummy. The one thing I do to keep it cold so that it churns quicker and becomes ice cream quicker is that I put a tea towel over this. So let me grab one. Here you go. I'm just going to leave this just to keep the cold inside. And I'm going to leave this to churn for about 20-25 minutes, and I'll come and have a look at it and decide when I think it's ready. Right, I think it's all ready now. It's gone up, so that's why you never want to fill the bowl up to the brim because it will expand. But it's looking quite creamy. Let me get a spoon. Looking quite creamy, so I am yum. I'm going to stop it now, and it will finish setting in the freezer. I need a spatula now. Sorry. Right. So let's get the spatula. I'm just using plastic. Tupperware type thing, but you can go for glass if you want. I've just run out of my glass ones. Take it out, and then that's heavy. That makes a lot of ice cream. And then just slowly pour it. Oh yeah, of course. Before you do that, you also need to remove this. Just remove that first, will you? Sorry, got ahead of myself here. So you want to remove that to take all of the ice cream off, and then keep going with what's left in the bowl. And then I will put a lid on, seal it, like make sure it's airtight lid, and then put your ice cream in the freezer and enjoy whenever you need to. Et voilà, delicious homemade berries ice cream. If you've enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel for more family food inspiration.